Ladies, gentlemen, and aunties, trailblazers, ambassadors, welcome to skill number 7. So we have 10 skills in Ananta X, and why the 10 skills matters. It's not theory, it's not motivation, it's not hype. These are the exact skills required to move you from income dependency to time freedom. Most people delay, and yes, I'm going to keep hammering on retirement because that's what we want. I want to get to a place as soon as I can that I don't have to work for money anymore, but have enough income to live the life that I want. So I'm not going to go spend a lot of time to this, but when the 10 skills are followed to the letter, this program teaches us how to think and act different, how to use proven systems, and how to create consistency, and also build leverage by working with people and systems. Now, for a lot of us, this is kind of stuff that we might know, we might expect. But in the message that I sent earlier today, skill number 7, is the one for true leaders. So the outcome, the 10 skills, it's going to help you build habits, stop chasing results and develop leaders and accelerate your retirement by building something that continues. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. And I thought, the right things consistently was in somewhere else. And I got burnt. Because here's the reality. I started now, please, this is my own story, just a little bit of my own story. I started in companies, and it was a lot of volume driven. So we did sales and, products and da 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 da. But that was not, it was the right thing then. But that's not the right thing now. Sorry, that's another talk. So, skill number 7, leadership identity, the legacy multiplier. This is about leadership, reproduction, momentum, and long-term scalability. And yes, it is part of the Nantex Retirement Acceleration Series. So, sorry, let me just go back. I put in a message and said, so last week, skill number 6 was for everybody. Skill number 7 is for leaders, true leaders. If we understand this, then 80% of our job as true leaders is done. So, sorry, let's go. Section 1, why the skills matters. Now, please remember, it's about promoting, duplication and promoting. That's where the power lies. Because I built businesses, and then I thought, I was the cock-a-doodle-doo, and I did everything for everybody, and I worked myself to death almost. That's not true duplication. A person building alone will eventually become exhausted. Think about that. A person building through duplication becomes unstoppable. So skill number 7 is the turning point, where a member stops thinking only about what I can do, and we are going to start thinking, what can I teach others to do? And this is where Anantex transforms from a personal opportunity into a multiplying leadership ecosystem. Why? Because the duplication that we create is momentum, stability. Why stability? Because of our product. I mean, here's a question. If I ask anybody, would you like to be able to accumulate gold every month? Everybody's going to say yes. If I ask people, would you like to save on your groceries? They're going to say yes. If I ask somebody if I can show you how to get up to 48 hours per month private tutorship for your children, what are they going to say? Yes. Team expansion, residual growth, and leadership legacy. Without duplication, growth stays dependent on one person. With duplication, the system begins to scale naturally. Here's our Nantex principle. Inside Anantex, duplication is not about teaching people to become perfect. It is about teaching people to become consistent, connected, and confident. Simple duplication always outperforms complicated brilliance. What happens when you master this skill? When you master skill number 7, your team becomes more independent, Leaders begin to emerge naturally. Momentum becomes consistent. Pressure reduces. Growth multiplies faster. And the system begins to work beyond your direct effort. Emotionally, skill number 7 controls mentality, fear of losing importance, and burnout from doing everything yourself. And leadership wise, develops maturity, patience, servant leadership, and long term vision. Now, the 5-step system is built into everything we have, is built into the 5-step system. Skill 7 activates the final and most powerful of the steps, step number 5, to duplicate. Once somebody joins, now here is where our jobs begin as leaders. Up until step 5, it is simply monkey see, monkey do. It is copy and paste. Send it out, take people through the system. But from step number 5, our responsibility is not to overwhelm people. Our responsibility is to simplify the process. So how do we do that? We teach them 5-step system. Curiosity, share, ask what they like, are they ready? And then we duplicate. This creates a culture where leaders create leaders. I want to come to a place where I have 5, 10, 50, 100, 1,000, 25,000 people doing better than me. That's what I want. That's what I want. Because then we are talking about true residual power. How duplication really works. Duplication is not motivational speeches, overtraining, and complicated systems. Duplication is simple daily actions repeated consistently, taught calmly, and reinforced through the system. The easier the process feels, the faster duplication happens. So how do we do this? Our Zoom presentations, what is the purpose? Is to consistently, professional, explain what we have to people. Like this week, I'm very excited. On Thursday night, Mr. Gianni Matebula will be doing the presentation for us in English. Daily exposure tools and remove presentation pressure. Builders, leaders, trailblazers do not need to explain everything. We simply invite to the system. The WhatsApp presentations, what is the purpose? It is a fast duplication tool. It is simply copy and paste. Easy exposure system, beginner-friendly sharing method. This creates daily momentum. Our official flyers and tools, what is the purpose? Standardize communication, to reduce fear and confusion, and to create professionalism. And I've said it so many times, if anybody works outside the system, with all due respect, I don't want to work there because that's hard work. Inside the system, duplication thrives when messaging stays simple and unified. What is our WhatsApp and Telegram groups? What's the purpose? Ongoing support, updates and communication, leadership connection, and team culture reinforcement. Connect people, stay active longer. As easy as that. Action alignment for this week. Strengthen skill number 7. Yet this is our job. Help one member invite somebody. Not 500, one. Teach one person the 5-step system. Promote one Zoom or WhatsApp presentation. Encourage one member after training. And help one new member plug into the system. Leadership is built through support and repetition. Our weekly action alignment, identifying emerging builders. And that's a big question. What is a leader? What do they look like? Leaders are consistent, they are curious, they want to learn, and they've got a positive attitude. That's what I look for, and that's where I focus. These individuals may become future trailblazers. Teach simplicity. I was at a presentation one day. It was an Antex presentation, and it was not with one of you guys. And man, I walked into the now I was invited. I got there, and this guy, he was in about 10 minutes, and lovingly I had to stop him. I was like, "What are you doing?" We need to teach simplicity. Never overload new people. We are going to teach curiosity, inviting, and plugging into the system. Simple systems duplicate faster. We're going to promote the system consistently. That's the key for this evening. Promoting events. Promotion creates movement. Sorry. So what do we promote? Zooms, the growth rooms, the WhatsApp, the training, and team recognition. Visible activity creates momentum, and we are going to lead by example. The strongest duplication method is observation. When the team sees you attending trainings, inviting consistently, using the system, and helping others, they begin to duplicate our behavior naturally. Reinforce belief. Just before I carry on, with a lot of other stuff, there's these hypes to turn the target, run for targets, 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 targets. I don't like that. So what is our target in Ananta X? We know the system. It starts by 5, just 5. And then we're going to help those 5 get their 5. That's all for now. That's step 2. Step 3, we scale to 10. That's it. Just that system can take you to millionaire status and beyond. Just that one little system. Anyway, reinforce belief. This is our job. We need to encourage people and build this consistently. Little voice notes. That's why we post every day, getting people out there. Confidence grows through recognition, support, repetition, and small wins. People stay where they feel supported. Daily alignment checklist. I even created one for us. Now, for you as a leader and your team, if you want this, I can put it out there. So there's a little checklist. Every day, did I encourage a builder? Did I promote a system event? Did I help somebody understand the 5-step system? Did I support a new member? And did I lead through a personal example? If you can tick all of those boxes every day, my friend, leadership reflection at the end of the week. So why do we say at the end of the week? So we got a week ahead. We got 2 in Zoom presentations. We got WhatsApp presentations coming up. So by the end of this week, and obviously this recording will go out on the Trailblazer group and to a few individuals. And I would really recommend you send this to your leaders, people that feel confident. So, did I help somebody grow this week? Did I simplify the system for others? Did I create encouragement and momentum? And am I building followers or future leaders? And please remember, true trailblazer measures success not only by personal growth, but by how many others we help develop. Here's the emotional shift. Before skill number 7, we feel responsible for doing everything ourselves. After skill 7, we realize that system grows strongest when people participate. So my job as a leader, as a trailblazer, is not to encourage everybody, roo-rah, all that kind of stuff, which is kind of cool. My job is to take people into the system, as many as I can. The skill shifts your mindset from control to leadership multiplication. Common mistakes to avoid, and we see this a lot. Trying to control everything, overcomplicating duplication, teaching too much too soon. That's why the 5-step system is designed the way it is. We give little pieces from a question to 3 short little videos. From 3 short little videos to something bigger, maybe a Zoom, a growth room, a private online call, whatever the case might be. Teaching too much too soon, like I mentioned, making builders dependent on us. I don't want that. I don't want to be at the house and receive 50 phone calls. I don't want to be that person. If anybody asks me for something, I empower them with tools. I send them a video. I send them, how does this work? I send them the 5-step duplication system, whatever the case might be. Promoting yourself more than the system. That's a nice to do, but it's not real duplication power. The goal is not to create dependence on us. The goal is to create confidence in a system. Yes, the retirement acceleration impact. Skill 7 increases team growth, leadership depth, duplication speed, long-term momentum, and residual scalability. It reduces burnout, leadership pressure, emotional fatigue, and growth stagnation. Duplication compresses time. There's one thing we have no control over. People say, how do you control time? You can't. Time doesn't care about us. It doesn't even know about us. Time is time. So if I can utilize my time and duplicate what we do, then I'm compressing time for myself. And it compresses time to accelerate retirement. Here's a Trailblazers principle. A builder recruits people. A trailblazer develops leaders, and leaders create momentum. Momentum creates structure, and here's that beautiful word, structure creates legacy. Here's an Anantex anchor. If a system depends only on me and you, growth will always stay limited. And I feel I just have to say something. There are people out there that have done and is doing incredible things. I always say I've got so much respect for those leaders. Man, ladies, gentlemen, I am so humbled to be in the presence of a person like that. But here's the reality. Life is pushing. And it is going to push a lot of people out of success. And I believe Ananta X is going to help us. If we teach others to duplicate, growth begins expanding beyond our effort. Here's my insight. The greatest achievement will never be what you build alone. It will be the leaders that you help develop. Action alignment. Ananta X, we don't give homework. We give action alignment, and it fits into our philosophy perfectly because action aligned with vision and systems and retirement acceleration. So here's the action alignment for this week, specifically on skill number 7. Listen to this recording as many times as you can. Yes, I do listen to myself. I play this in the car, download it on my phone, and I play it over and over and over. We're going to teach the 5-step system to one person. We're going to attend growth room. This is so powerful as future leaders, not just a member. I can't wait for Thursday evening. Mr. Gianni is going to do the presentation for us. I'm going to at least get a couple of people there. Man, and I'm going to enjoy it. But I'm there. Yes, I am participating, but I'm there as a trailblazer. I'm going to model the daily plan showing in front of your team. Model daily plan showing in front of your team. Now, there's somebody on this call that is a master at this, simplifying everything we teach. We're going to protect our culture. And here's the final line for this evening, for this recording. What is the key? What is the meat behind skill number 7 is promote promote, promote. Now, in the kind of networking world, there is 7 skills. At Anantax, we've got 10. So next week, we are doing skill number 8, which is called anchor the value. This is power, 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 power. But anyway, I'm going to stop this recording. It is about promoting. It is about duplication. The more we promote, the better the duplication, the more people we plug into the system, the earlier we get to a stage where everything changes for us.